In this video, you will learn how to set up mobile banking in Alterna banking app. Download the Alterna banking app. Go to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and install the official Alterna banking app. Open the app, then select register or sign up. Launch the app and choose the option to create a new mobile banking account. Enter your personal or account details. Provide your full name, account number, date of birth and other requested information to verify your identity. Create login credentials, set up a secure username and password, then enable additional security features like a PIN or biometric login. Verify your identity. Follow the prompts to complete the verification via SMS, email or security questions. Log in and explore the features. Once register is complete, log into your mobile banking account and start managing your finances. Now you know. Now you know how to set up the mobile banking in Alterna banking app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.